So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add a TripAdvisor reviews to your Wix website. So first of all, you'll have to come on this website called elfsight.com and go for widgets, and in the review section go for reviews from TripAdvisor. Now go for option called create widget, and here you can choose whichever template you like. I'll go with this one, and after choosing one, click on continue with this template. After that, you have to put your TripAdvisor URL here, and you can also customize your template here. After finishing that, click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up for your elfsight account. Now guys, you just have to click on this save button, and after that choose this subscription. And now you have to click on this code to copy it and come to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements. Now click on embed code and now click on embed HTML. Now click on this box, paste the code you have just copied and click on update. And now, as you can see guys, the TripAdvisor reviews are here on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.